Today we're focusing on the often tricky task of folding a standard tent. It's always a big pain to get your tent back in the bag, but that's because you might be missing one or two key steps. So let's go through them all one at a time. First, lay the tent flat on the ground, ensuring that it's free of any wrinkles or folds and has no headlamps or gear left inside of it. Then smooth it out as much as possible. Carefully remove and disassemble the tent poles, collapsing them back into their original shorter lengths. Fold each side of the tent towards the center, aligning the edges. Aim for a long and rectangular shape. Then fold the tent in half lengthwise, bringing one side of the edges to meet the other. Depending upon the size of your tent, fold it in thirds or quarters widthwise to make it more manageable size for packing. After that, you can either roll or fold the tent tightly. Next is the key part. I like to lay or sit on the tent if any air bubbles arise and ensure that all the air flows out of it. And if your tent is too large to roll, you can gently stuff it into its storage bag. Be mindful of any zippers or delicate tent materials during this process. Place the collapsed tent poles and stakes into the storage bag, making sure they fit securely alongside the tent. You can also put the tent poles within the tent as you are rolling or folding it up. It's helpful to do it this way, but it's not necessary. Ensure that you have everything inside the storage bag, from rain flies to stakes to the tent itself, and double check the zipper to prevent any surprises later. Congratulations, you've now mastered the art of folding a standard tent. With a bit of practice, you'll become a folding pro in no time. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more outdoor tips and tricks. Happy camping, and may your tent always fold with ease.